up, everybody? On my way to Bowery Meat Company for a quick ride and review. Been here a bunch. There's a lot of good things to get. Jump out to my website johnnyprimesteaks.com for the full experience, the full review, all the pics. I know one thing I'm going to get tonight is the duck lasagna. It's been a while since I've had it. It's really good. It's got a nice like bechamel sauce in there. The duck is fall apart tender. It's so good. Probably get one of those big ass desserts too. Those are fun. A little bit of crowd today on the roads. So Bowery Meat Company, if you haven't been here, it's one of my better rated steakhouses. I've got a video review of it somewhere on my website from a while back. You'll definitely want to check it out. It's gonna be dark out by the time I finish eating, so I'm just gonna, you know, do the ride there instead of the ride out with the review. I've been there so many times, there's no need for me to really review it. Just gonna send you to the website johnnyprimesteaks.com like I've been doing when we finish up late.
They also have a great dry aged burger on the menu. I'd like to get that and split it as an appetizer with my company, whoever I'm with.
So this place is it's just off of Bowery at like, I think it's 1st or 2nd Street. So I'm gonna be taking a right soon and then another right, and it'll be right there.
Also, one of the things that's most unique about this place is that they have a special steak called the Bowery steak, which is actually the outermost part of the ribeye, called the spinalis dorsi. Super tender, lots of marbling, and it's spiraled into its own steak. That's really awesome. I highly recommend that.
Yeah, it's 1st Street. I gotta go the other way on this, but it's right up here, so I'll just show you the front. There it is. All right, I'll see you on the inside.